Welcome to our Showroom 2023. This year's theme is Storytelling Space Explorers. What does Storytelling Space Explorers mean? It's really about making connections. It's really about taking your brand and showing how we can, as an organization, understand your brand and connect it to your space and connect it to the people that use your space. You know, you can see the movement and the energy, graphically, the things that we bring to our brand. It's an expression of what we're going to do with your brand as far as connecting your story to your space and really extending your vision and making sure that that graphic language really supports your brand and the people who move through your space. Come on in.